Hello guys, what's up? I'm back again for another video. In this video, I will gonna show you how you can see how much time you've spent on the apps in your phone. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also you can comment down below if you have a problem that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to see how much time you've spent on your phone, first go to your phone settings. Now that you're on your phone settings, go and scroll down until you find digital well-being and parental controls. Once you've found it, go and tap it. As you can see right here, you can already see how much time I've spent on my phone today. But if you want to see how much time you've spent on the apps on your phone, tap this. And right here you will be able to see how much time you've spent on apps. So this is how much time I've spent on my phone apps today. Dame, I've spent 4 hours on my phone today and 2 hours on TikTok. Guys, do you think I'm cooked? So that's just how you do it, guys. Now you can monitor how much time you're spending on your phone after watching this video. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope it helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have a problem that you want me to make a tutorial about. I will try to fix it. So that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.